Okay guys, how you doing? If you're wondering why mid-size SUVs are becoming the people's favorite in 2023, today I'm going to show you a unique mid-size SUV that is going to blow your mind. If your priority is being economical, you're going to love this car. This is the Peugeot 3008. Oh my god, I love this car. So, for a wild, futuristic, and a little bit of panache when it comes to your mid-size SUV, the Peugeot 3008, you're definitely going to love it. Let me tell you all about it. Okay, so let's start with the design. Just admire the stylish design that Peugeot has going on here. If you like to turn heads anytime that you park your vehicle, this is not going to disappoint. When it comes to the full LED headlights going on here, which is also smart, we are going to talk about it later on in the video. It looks really cool. Then we have this lion-inspired fangs running down the sides. Also, we get the horizontally chopped chrome for the grills, and it's actually really good when it comes to ventilation. As you can see, we have a lot of chrome accents going on here, and you can also see it when it comes to the sides of the car. So just like I said, there are a lot of chrome accents on this vehicle. One, you can see one running all the way from the windows to the back, and also one at the top. Not forgetting one at the lower part of the vehicle. This makes it look very, very stylish. And whilst you're talking about the size of the vehicle, let me talk about one thing that I love about the doors. The door goes all the way to the bottom of the car. Let me tell you why that is really cool. If you drive on whatever road and your car gets dirty, when you get to your location and you're getting into or outside of your car, the seals are never going to get dirty. So you're not going to get your attire looking all muddy. I really like that. That's a really nice feature. Also, when it comes to the tires, this is sitting on the rim 18. You can actually get it in a 17 too, but I love me the 18. And the side mirrors actually come with their own LED signals. More lights, I love it. Checking out the back, Peugeot has this 3D effects claw light for the tail light that looks really nice, and you can actually see it during the day and also at night. The horizontal blacked off glass that connects the two tail lights look really, really nice. And also the floating roof that also has the chrome accent. So overall, when it comes to the exterior look of this bad boy, I think it looks really, really nice. And if I have to rate it on a scale of 1 to 10, I think I'll give it a solid 8. Now, let's see what the interior has, if it's as good as the exterior. I can't wait to check that out. The first thing that's going to catch your eye, apart from the nice looking interior and a really comfortable seat that actually feels like a sports car, is the eye cockpit. Looks like you are in some sort of jet fighter and embraces you, and to be honest, it feels really good. Let us highlight some of my key favorite features of the interior of this vehicle. First, let's talk about the steering. This is small but really smooth. This is electronically assisted, so it's actually very swift on the road. 2, you can actually adjust this too. So no matter your height, you can actually get this to fit your preference. And I personally like the fact that it doesn't block my view of the digital display. It looks and feels very, very nice. Then we come to the 8-inch touchscreen display. With this, you can have access to a whole lot. For instance, you can actually connect your iPhones for CarPlay, your Android for Android Auto. It has a 3D connected navigation system that you can actually see. It looks really nice on the road. Also, you can get a top-down view of your vehicle using the sensors all around the vehicle. Also, you can actually see the back of your vehicle with the rear cameras. The digital head display also has some really cool visuals that looks like something from a sci-fi movie. Anytime that you're riding this on the road, you get all your essential metrics, and it looks really, really nice. The car comes with 6 airbags, 2 at the front, 2 at the back seat, and also 2 on the sides. Also, we have carbon fiber designs and chrome accents all around the vehicle. It looks really cool. The glove box is also actually very, very spacious. You're going to love that. And the center console feels really nice. You open it like this, and you have a really spacious design. You can actually keep your drinks. Also very cool. It has its own cooling system like your mini fridge inside your vehicle. You can actually put a 1 liter bottle inside here. It's going to fit very, very nice. And we have 2 cup holders over here, which is really stable when you put your bottles inside. Let's check out how it feels like in the passenger seat. Let's go. Okay, so now how does it feel like being a passenger in the Peugeot 3008? As you can see, I'm 6 foot tall, so I'm very tall, but I still have enough leg room over here and also enough headroom. At the back seat, it feels very comfortable, especially for adults, since we don't have this little arm that we normally have for the middle of the center console, so your legs can actually go there. But truth be told, this center console also comes out a little bit more, but as you can see, I'm still tall and I'm still very comfortable. And we have a 12-volt port here, so at the back you can charge anything that you want. It's really cool. And we also have AC vents over here, so everybody can adjust their own ACs. And also we have your cup holders, of course. Pull this down and you can chill on the road and still have your drinks not spilling all around. So all in all, it feels very comfortable at the back of the 3008 and you're definitely going to enjoy. And now let's talk about the most important part of any vehicle. How does it feel to drive this bad boy? Let's check that out. The 3008 feels really comfortable on the road. The electronically assisted steering wheel actually makes it very smooth in the hand. I really like it. It's small but feels perfectly sized for me. It features the quick shift technology for quicker gear changes and excellent fluidity on the road. It's a joy to use. My view of the road is everything to me, and I could actually see everything on the road I enjoy. And the 1.6 engine found in here is very economical. I can actually go days and anytime that I fill my fuel. Here are some features also worth mentioning. We can actually make this video a 100 minutes video. So let's talk about one. The 3008 is a crossover and has tinted windows all around it. It looks really cool. You also get an 8-inch touchscreen. You get customizable digital display, a standard sound system which actually sounds great for your music, rain sensors that is actually going to automatically detect the rain and is going to do all the wiping for you. And the wipers are magic wash wiper blades. And you also get a lot of sensors all around the car that gives you a top-down shot, which is very nice if you don't know where you're parking. Coming back to this bad boy, let's talk about the trunk. This is no different story. We actually have 501 liters for the boot space, so you can actually put anything you want in here. And also, you can actually put the back seats down by just pulling this lever, just like that, and it opens. So if you have a lot of luggage that you want to keep at the back of your vehicle, this is not going to be any problem at all. Okay, so I have said a lot about this vehicle, but you know what? Don't just take my word for it. Let's go ask my friend. He's actually a BMW guy, so he's really going to tell us a lot on how it feels like driving the 3008. Oh my God, that's the man himself. Yo, what's up, man? Where have you been, bro? What's happening to your vehicle, man?
Just coming from Takoradi.
Leave that down. Tell me what it feels like driving the 3008. Let me just join you. Let's go. Yo, what do you think about the interior?
Charlie, this looks very sleek.
Yeah, you're actually sitting behind the cockpit.
I like the way the head-up displays. I mean, Charlie, this is nice.
Let's get on the road.
This?
That's the keyboard shortcut for accessing the functionality of the multimedia display.
Like the piano.
Exactly. You can actually get to all the functions without having to fidget with the multimedia part. So all you have to do is just tap one and you're good to go. But tell me, what do you think about the driving so far?
Steering handles very well. Charlie, the engine runs very smooth. Trust me. For a Beamer lover, I think I'll consider this as a daily car. Trust me.
Oh my God, he already likes it.
As a daily car.
He already likes it.
This is good.
This is good?
This is good.
This
is good.
You heard it from the man himself. He already loves the 3008.
This drives so good.
You like it?
Yes. I mean, the engine is very smooth. And the transmission, it changed some points. I mean, comparing this to the old conventional cars, I think Peugeot is doing well. This is a very good buy.
That's nice.
If you want to get a daily, I recommend the Peugeot 3008. You have
You heard
there.
it. You heard it from the man himself. I think we're good to go. Oh my God. So in conclusion, what do I think about the Peugeot 3008? For 37,000, this is a very unique vehicle. It's economical when it comes to fuel, and also it feels very nice on the road. Not forgetting the fact that this vehicle actually looks very, very nice. For more details about this car, check the description. You're going to get everything you want to know about this, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Stay liquid, and I'll see you in the next video. Open me. We out.